Who is the song Long Hair Harriet?
Oh, well, what really happened now, you have some man out there, they are not Rasta. We call them Long Hair Harry. Because you almost see some of them Long Hair Harry I live, Rasta no live so. Rasta is a peaceful someone who needed love, humility, prosperity, blessings. We make the rain fall. We make the lightning and thunder. Lightning flash and the thunder grumble. So that's what we are here for. We are here to show respect to the Almighty, because enough people out there now say Rasta this and Rasta that, because Rasta get involved in a whole heap of different things. So people say, oh, look Rasta boy, and look Rasta this and the Rasta that, and no, we not deal with Rasta, cause Rasta, Selassie come here and say, the man on God, and blah blah blah. And His Majesty, when His Majesty come Jamaica and them ask him, say, if you tell the people, them say, him and God, the Almighty say, who am I to interfere in what the peoples believe? That the man say, who am I to interfere in what the peoples believe? So right away, I tell them, say, I can't tell them what to do. Same never tell them people, them say, yo, maybe. Because him know, say, him are the man, but enough people never have that inborn concept there. You have to have that inborn concept to know who is who, or who is the king, who is the Almighty. You have to know that. If you don't know that, you can't talk. The Almighty is a man who will blast you up, lightning and thunder blast you up. So sometimes some man I do some things and I run up them mouth about Rasta and this and I listen last year this and him dead and gone and really. Them don't know nothing. So most of them who say have yap. Them soon dumb. Can't talk. So Long Hair Harry is a man who just out there. I see a man with them locks. Thief a woman purse. I say, what happened to your mommy? Oh, one look a Rasta man. A Rasta boy grab my purse and gone. Just because my man the locks. Rasta man don't live so, cause we is the first one who come out and say Rastafari, you know, as a livity and know how to eat. Babylon never show me that. And we know the realms and bring this culture to ourselves. Say, put on with natty, dash your scissors and comb. Like where you grow your precept. Because the Almighty say if you grow your precept. But enough man out there with them scissors and comb and really them a shave and them thing. I don't care where you want to do. But me not shave. They say, I say, can't know what is Rasta. But enough of them out there don't know what is Rasta. So that's why we say, people, instead of you say Rasta, they want to know Rasta. If you see a man out there with them locks and them do folly, he's not Rasta. So please, don't say the Rasta there. Say Long Hair Harry, or Long Hair John, or Long Hair Tom, Long Hair Basil, Long Hair Puppet. Yeah. So, more time here people say something, I don't quarrel with them. I just go on one more thing, because at the end of the day, we are going to see who, you know. At the end of the day, we are going to see is who. Because we know say that man is great. So I saw the Long Hair Harry come all about, you know. Long Hair Harry. Some of them are dread, but them no Rasta. Wow. Them are Long Hair Harry. Them are Rasta imposter. See them there, me know them works. Righteous man, no lurks where them lurks. See them a come from near and far. Some of them a wicked superstar. Preaching peace but defending war. Them and Blender na par. Long Hair Harry. Some of them are dread but them a Rasta. So that's the thing there. Long Hair Harry Rasta. So the people have just get it straight. And them songs they're supposed to go big, you know, but you know why them don't want to play it. But them rather criticize Rasta when I say a Rasta man. Them rather criticize the Rasta, but it's all good. You know, it's a blessing. Yeah man, Rastafari.